So guys, first you want to unplug your HDMI cable and then plug it back in again. See if that works. Second method, unplug your HDMI cable and then if you have a different HDMI port or slot, then plug it into that. See if that works. For the next method, if you have a spare HDMI cable, try using that instead. That will tell you if the problem is either with the HDMI cable or with your computer or your monitor, wherever you're trying to plug it into. Also, make sure that your source is correct. So make sure that you have the correct input source selected on your display. For example, on your monitor, there may be some buttons on it. You want to go through the buttons, then go through the settings. Make sure that you have HDMI selected. For the next method, you want to click on the Windows button and P on your keyboard, which will pull up this. You want to try duplicate. If that's not working, then try extend. See if that works. For the next method, make sure that you have the latest graphics card drivers for your graphics card installed. You could either get the nvidia software, AMD software, or the Intel software, depending on your graphics card. And then through your software, make sure that you have the latest graphics card drivers installed. For the next method, go to search and type in display settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on detect. See if that works. For the last method, go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is up to date. Next, restart your computer. Come back into Windows and then see if that works.